Hello and welcome to the Home and Learn video course for VisualBasic.net. I'm Kenny Carney and today we are going to do menus. What did we do last time? Loops. That was our section. This one is quite easy. I promise you an easy section. If you go to the website, add a menu to VBNet form, you can do the text version of it here. Let's have a look at the software. If you create a new project, call it anything like menu test or something like that, and yeah, add a menu, you need to come over here in your toolbox. If you collapse this one, Command Controls, expand menus and toolbars. The one you want is menu strip. You can drag on here, and if you notice, this is the object menu strip. This is what it creates. Menu right at the top here. And for us, what we want to create is these kind of menus. File, you've got edit, views, and if you look on this one, you've got shortcut Control S, Control Shift plus S, Alt plus F4. And if I press the Alt key on my keyboard, you'll see the underlines as well. The shortcuts as well. F for file, and you can have N for new. The P of project is underlined, so you can type a P on the keyboards, and you get the new project dialog box appearing. So let's add a menu. You click right up here where it says type here, and this is the main heading for the menu, main menu item. We'll click File, and items on the menu, just click inside type here. We'll create a new one and open. Let's have a save menu, save, and the final one. And what we can do, we can put a separator between save and exit. Right, so to add a separator, click in there. If you type a dash on your keyboard, minus sign I suppose, and push enter key, you'll get that one with a dash. The final menu will be on exit. Let us see what it looks like. Debug, start, file, and there's the menu. You didn't have to do any coding at all, and there you've got a fully fledged menu. And let us add some shortcuts. We'll do those underlines. Click on your file, and to add an underline one, if you go over here, if you've got file, tool strip, menu item selected, and go to the text property, and whichever letter you want to use for your underline, you need an ampersand before it. So if I type an ampersand before the letter F, and that is underlined, the F there. Let's try new as well. New, on the N of a new. You can also click in here, open, so that the text is highlighted. Oh, I didn't know that, did I? This is tricky, you might happen on your own one. Alright, so you've got the text highlighted there. I'll do the O of open, I think. Ampersand. It's a lot easier if you've just got save selected, save tool strip menu. It's a lot easier doing it on the text property. So have the S of save, ampersand. For exit we'll have the X. Usually it's Alt plus F4, but we'll just do X. Alright, so the X is underlined on that one. And let's see what that looks like. Debug, start. I need to tap the Alt key on the keyboard. There you go, the underline. I'll tap in the letter F for Foxtrot, which expands that menu, and you'll see all the other letters underlined, the N, the O, the S, and the X. I'll try X, but nothing will happen because we haven't written any code yet. We'll do that in a moment. Let's add those. Control O for open. Those other ones. So we're doing this, like Control S, Alt F4, Control S, all those kind of things. Let's do it for open. And what you need to do is go into properties, and you need shortcut keys. This one, shortcut keys, and you click on the arrow there, down arrow. You see modifiers, so you can have Control, Shift. You could have a Control and a Shift if you want. Control, Shift, and Alt. We'll use that Control, CTRL. Click on the down arrow for key, which means the key on the keyboard. And what do we have? O. There's the O. Click away. And do this one, see, Control plus O. We'll do the exit one. Exit. Shortcut keys. And Control. I could do Alt and F4. Like, now we just have Control X. Control. And X. See what that looks like. Start. Control O, Control X. We'll now write a little bit of code. And to add code to a menu, the first thing I want to do is to rename this one. Because if I click on exit, you'll see it's exit to strip menu item, which is a bit long. We'll go up here to name. We'll call it something like menu exit. That's a lot shorter. And to create a code stub, the easiest way, if you go over here, you see the grey strip here. Double click on this bit for exit. It should create a code stub. Where's it gone? Nope, it didn't create that one. It created this one. Menu exit. It's the one we were after. It's a little bit tricky. Alright, so if you want to close something down, you need to refer to the form. The way you do that is just with the word me. Me means the current form. And then you want the word close. Close, there it is. And a pair of round brackets. So every time that exit menu is activated, it will automatically run this piece of code. Me.close. Let's see if that works. Debug. Start. Open this form closes. Yeah, it does close down. Let's try the shortcuts. We do the Alt key on the keyboard. Tap in letter F for foxtrot. And the X for X-ray. And there it goes. Here's the one. What was the other? Control X, was that? Control, letter X on my keyboard. And there it goes. It's closed down. You can also add a sub-menu to your items, a sub-menu. If you click on there, you'll see the arrow, another type here, and you could have new project, the enter key, and you might have file, something like that. If you wanted to, you could have another menu here, so view, and then files, good. Debug, start. You got file menu. You have a view. You can have as many menus as you want across the top here. Click out exit to close it down. We didn't have a look at the sub menus. Would be start, file, new, and there's the sub menus we created. New project, new file. You notice none of these other menu items actually work. So in a later section, we're going to write some code for the open menu. When we click this, you'll get a file open dialog box appearing. And we'll do that possibly in the next video. Anyway, I will see you then.